If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. If you are doing what you always did, you will get what you always got. If you don't like what you are getting, change what you are doing. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are fantastic. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer at Winsome Express, expert in SolidWorks and affiliate marketer. So today I am going to share my views on the topic one should learn to change. But before this, we need to know why change is important for you, why change is important for me, why change is important for personal development. So here we go. First, internal change will help you to focus. If you do meditation regularly, then it will affect your mindset. It will become positive. If you change your attitude, your behavior, then people like to interact with you. They want to talk to you. It will change your entire behavior. Your thought process will change if you do meditation. Second, external change will help you to shape you. If you do exercise, if you go to a gym, if you do yoga, then what will happen? You look good, your body become fit, you look strong, and at the end you feel confident about your body, and people look at you and appreciate you regarding your physique, your physical health. That will help you. Third, change ensures that your life become exciting. Let's suppose there is no need to change in your life, then what will happen? Your life became boring, your life became monotonous. It's just like a straight line. So if you really want to enjoy your life, then that straight line will want to become a zigzag line. It means you need to change yourself again and again so that your life become exciting. Fourth, changes ensure that you will progress. Let's suppose you want to walk on a road. Then for walking you need to change your position of yours. In the same way, changes ensure that you will progress. Once you change, the progress will happen automatically. So always think to change. Fifth, change ensure to move on. Let's suppose you are stuck in somewhere in your life. So what will happen? Change will help you to move on from that situation. Because what will happen? That you will step back from that situation and you will move on. So change help you to move on. Changes ended the bad situation of your life. Yes, change is the only ticket to get out of that bad phase. You can say bad situation. How will change help you in that bad situation? Because you know why bad situation, what is the reason of that bad situation, then you will work on that reason to solve that problem, and that's why that change will help you. Change document your journey. When to change, where to change, how to change, these all things will tell you that what going to be your life journey, how it will affect your journey. Because when you change, your entire life process will change. And the last one, change is happen anyway. You can't change are inevitable. You can't control changes. There are some kind of changes you can't even control. They will not ask about for your permission. They will happen. Like when we are 1 year old, we are just like kid, and now we are 25, 20. Our growth will automatically does. So these all are the changes. We can't control over this. We can't control. So these are the few changes that we can't control at anyhow. We need to change ourselves, and these are the important aspects that why we need to change. So the main point is that if you want to live a beautiful life, live a happy life, you need to change yourself. If you want to be a successful, you need to change yourself. You need to develop your personal abilities, personal liabilities, you can say. So these are the aspects that why you need to change. Now we are going to talk about how we are going to change. If you know that you will not talk easily to the others, then what you will do? You will practice, just like I do. If you know that you are not camera friendly, then what you will do? Then you start coming in front of camera so that you become friendly of that camera. So these are the action you need to take to change. If you know that you are not a good runner, then you will keep practicing day by day so that you become a good runner at the end of the month, or you can say journey. If you are not a good batsman, then what you will do? You will do practice more and more so that you will become a good batsman. It means you need to change yourself. You need to change, and things will change. It's not just like a flick of a wand. It will change gradually. So you always need to think. You have to be patient. That things will take time. If you change will happen, but it will take time. So always think about that. It's just not like a boom. Okay, you just flick a wand and it will happen. No, it will take time. The change is a natural process, and it will take time. You need to think of this. So today you got to know that why change is important, how you gonna change by upgrading your skills, by learning your new things, new things. Just like I am doing. I am investing on my self education. That's what I do in this quarantine. That's what I love to. I'm reading books. I'm upgrading my skills day by day. And I can see that my confidence became gradually increases day by day. That's how the change will work. It will work like a increasing graph, not an exponential graph. So always work for a longer term vision, not for a short term vision. Because if you work like a long term vision, it will last long. But if you just work for a 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, then it will not last long, and the results will also not be fruitful. But if you changes for the last long, or you can say changes for the long term, then the result will automatically will be fruitful. So always think about for a last long things. Guys, please comment on this video, give your valuable feedbacks to me, and guys, please follow me on Instagram and YouTube. My Insta ID is affiliated.ankit, and my YouTube channel is Ankit's Talk Room. So there, please guys follow me on these links, and thank you.